In this example, you see the contrast between the lacquer finish of the ceramic colors and the ultra-high gloss effect of the Pebeo mirror effect metal leaf. The artist begins by preparing the background with a coat of carefully stirred ceramic paint using a brush. Once dry, she applies Pebeo relief gilding paste in specific areas. The relief gilding paste dries to a transparent, tacky finish over which the foil leaf will be positioned to transfer the color. It is easy to use thanks to its nozzle cap, which allows for precise applications when needed. For broader and more generous applications, the cap can be removed and the paint applied directly from the tube's aperture. Painting knives of different sizes and shapes can be used to spread the gilding paste and create dimensional effects. After 2 hours or more, depending on the generosity of the application, the relief gilding paste is ready. The magic can now begin. The mirror effect foil transfer sheets can now be applied over selected areas, and the color transferred by simply applying pressure with the fingers. The quantity of the color transferred onto the piece is related to the pressure applied onto the metal leaf. You can see here that when the artist applies light pressure onto the gold leaf, there is not so much gold on her piece. However, when she presses more heavily on the other color, more of it adheres to the piece. There you have it, another beautiful piece that can be easily created by both beginners and more advanced crafters.